What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I think first and foremost, I just want to thank every one of you for offering a lot of the support on the channel so far. I really appreciate all the comments, all the feedback, and it really validates that whatever I'm trying to do is something valuable and can help a lot of people. So with this video, I did a poll on my Instagram stories, and what you guys said you wanted is that you wanted to learn about business and finances, and specifically you wanted to learn about how to manage and invest money, right? So that's the purpose of this video today. So let me just preface in saying that I'm not an expert in any way, so this is not financial advice, but this is just things that I personally do in my life day to day, and if it's something valuable to you, then you can apply it to your life as well. So when it comes to managing and investing your money, right, there's key areas that you want to focus on that can give you the most return on your life. The first one being is that you want to invest in your health. So that is, getting a gym membership, maybe some course, doing yoga, or essentially you want to invest heavily in your health, because health is wealth. So essentially that should always be a priority for you in terms of like your life and your general well-being long term. The next thing you want to do is you want to invest in your wealth. So that is, you're putting aside a certain amount of money to save and invest to whether it's investing in the stock market or in the crypto space or buying property. You want to take a certain percentage and invest that in your wealth. Rich Dad Poor Dad has a really good quote where it says, you want to pay yourself first. So that's the essential idea of investing in your wealth, right? You want to always be paying yourself first, so that long term you are in a better position to be financially free, or achieve whatever goals that you're trying to pursue. So with that, actually specifically, so with investing in your wealth, you want to dedicate a certain percentage of your income towards that. Typically I tell people, you want to start out with 10%, and then gradually, as you get more comfortable with it, you want to increase it to a higher value. Currently, my current saving rate is at about 60%. So out of every income I make, I save about 60% that I use to invest in stocks and crypto and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's investing in your wealth. The next thing you want to do is you want to invest in your education, right? So education is so key in terms of your own personal growth. You need to be always constantly learning, consuming things that make you a better individual. You want to be buying books, buying very essential books. You want to be paying for courses. You want to be going for seminars. You always want to be constantly learning. That way you grow over a long period of time, and you're not stagnant, right? It's a very essential thing. So yeah, read a book. You should be reading at least a book a month, ideally. So the next thing is invest in your appearance, right? This is also a very, very important thing in terms of how you interact with other people in society. People judge you based on your first appearance. That's a fact. There is no trying to dispute that. So you always have to make sure that your appearance is always on point. Take care of yourself, get regular haircuts. If you're a girl, get your nails done, get your hair done. If you're a guy, get regular haircuts, get a facial scrub, make sure your face is looking good, both ways. So just always be taking care of your appearance. Also invest in getting good clothes that fit you well. Get a nice cologne or perfume. These all build up your brand and your own personality, and this is very essential that you invest in them regularly. And then the final thing that you want to invest in is your experiences, right? So you want to take some money aside to do things like travel. You want to take some money aside to try new restaurants, have social experiences. These are just generally good for your own mental health and just your well-being as well. So you want to have multiple experiences, because this exposes you to different things in the world and makes you just a generally better individual. So those are 5 key areas that I think that everybody should be investing in. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think about those 5 key areas. Like, subscribe, and comment on this specific video. So like I said in all my videos, I do offer self-improvement coaching courses. So if you're interested in working with me, whether whether it's on your business and finances or health and fitness or dating and relationships, you can hire me. All my links to my programs will be listed below in this video.